Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez with Tractor Tip Equipment Company, and what we have for sale here today is a Bobcat T300. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine, the first clip, the operating specs in the second, and we'll run it in the third. Price on a new machine like this about $75,000 to $80,000. This machine currently has 3,291 hours. As far as manufacturers go, Bobcat pretty much kicks everybody's butt when it comes to skid steers. Matter of fact, they're synonymous with skid steers. The weight of this particular machine is 9,702 pounds. Its widest point is actually the tracks here at 6 foot 5 inches. The highest point is the top of this cab right here at 6 foot 5 inches. I'm sorry, the top of this cab is 6 foot 7 inches. The transportation length from front to back is 12 foot. Comparable machines are like a Komatsu CK35 or a Cat 287, Takeuchi TL12. Bobcat currently makes a TL750. They don't make the T300s anymore. They changed the nomenclature. It's the same machine, but they call it a TL750. As far as options go, this machine has got high flow hydraulics along with regular auxiliary hydraulics. It's got a coupler system, which all skid steers have. It's a universal coupler system. This machine is equipped with, it's actually got foot pedal controls, which if you talk to any Bobcat dealer or anybody who's dealt with skid steers, foot pedal controls has got a true linkage system, so there's no electronics over hydraulics to mess up. It's one of the most reliable systems when it comes to skid steers. As far as the engine goes, it's powered with a Kubota V33. It's an 81 horsepower engine. It holds about 30 gallons of fuel, which will give you about 10-12 hours worth of work. This machine is mechanically sound. Everything on it works. Top speed is about 6.6 miles an hour. The undercarriage is about 45, maybe 50%. The final drives have got plenty of power, enabling the machine to counter-rotate. Oh, the other option I left off is that it does have a Grapple Bucket. This is actually a new bucket. I'll show you the other final. Again, this machine is mechanically sound. There's no leaks. Everything on it works. The hydraulics are strong. There are no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. Let me show them the other side too. There's very little deflection, or all these pins are pretty, pins and bushings are pretty tight. We're going to talk about the specs in the next clip. As far as this bucket width right here, this Grapple Bucket is 5 foot 7 inches wide. We've got wider buckets if you want a different size bucket. As far as the hinge pin height, if you were loading into a dumpster, the hinge pin height for this pin right here is 10 foot. The front loader lifting capacity is 3,000 pounds, and the static tip load of the loader is 9,200 pounds. As a final note, I'd like to add that Bobcat pretty much across the board leads in a category called drawbar pull, and drawbar pull is defined as the amount of weight a machine can push or pull in addition to its own, which in the case of the T300 is 7,000 pounds, which is pretty impressive. We're going to run it in the next clip.